Probably the craziest year chasing yet. 2025 was off to a crazy start. 2 winter storms back to back, causing beautiful chaos throughout the southeast while Los Angeles burns on the other side of the country. There's a certain peace about snow. Serene, calming. It's easy to lose yourself in the sound and feeling of it. I set out with Aurora first to adventure and have some fun. I mean, who can resist playing in the snow? It's gonna fall on your head. It is coming down here in Athens, Alabama. We don't get this much, so we're out enjoying the snow to the fullest of its potential.
Oh, that's nice.
He wouldn't know what to do right now. He would not know what to do. But if you put him down, you'd never lose him.
Nope.
Yeah, we got one last year too. Almost a year ago. Exactly. More snowfall coming. Afterwards, the gang met up at my house to chase the tail end of the system into Tennessee. So we set off. Riding through freezing rain and sleet, trying to find those elusive snowflakes. We finally caught up at Spring Hill, Tennessee. Dude, we were sliding all over the fucking place, dude.
They're sliding on the back of the hill.
Snowing pretty good now.
Yeah, I know.
So much for cleaning my window. I'm just gonna clean my back window.
That storm takes your ride.
I thought we was chasing tornadoes.
No.
How do you say it?
Snunderthorms.
Did I say it? Was I about to say it right?
Yeah, you goddamn right you was.
Thunder.
And then
You got cough. You get off.
yeah. Oh my God, y'all wanna hear some funny shit?
Yeah.
Playing on Roblox, and this little boy talking about gooning on the walls. So my fucking kid starts saying it, dude, and I'm like, I'm not a dumbass, so I know it's either ramming on the walls or something, because a fucking little boy said it. We're gooning on the walls. I was fucking dying, dude. I was like, oh my God.
Hey, Rob. Centerville.
Ooh, it's snowing good. That's the most people I've ever seen sledding anywhere, dude. We hadn't captured the elusive thunder snow, but hidden behind the stores and buildings was one of the coolest things I've ever witnessed in the snow. Dozens, if not even a couple hundred people had congregated on this massive hill. And we're sledding and having a blast. No phones, no distractions, just humans playing in the snow together. We stopped and watched for a good bit, then decided it was time to head back home.
Christmas night, clutch the light, the hollow bright.
Well, fuck. This sucks.
The following day, a lot of the snow melted. However, everything left behind would surely become ice overnight. With temps and the teens coming.
This bitch is scooting. Hoonigan, motherfucker.
Alrighty, I'll see you.
I guess we're finally done planning all of it. And just like that, it was gone. All the snow had stopped. And everything was melting off the roof. This year's analogs favor 2011 in a lot of ways, I think. I also think we'll see another snowstorm before spring in Dixie. And after, the beast will awaken for storm season. It's time to get ready for the worst Mother Nature has to offer. And this time, it's coming home.